All right, guys, today I have a quick review of two of the most budget dynamic mics you can buy on Amazon. That is the FDUCE SL40, what you're listening to right now, and the FiFine AM8 dynamic microphone. So shortly, I'm going to be putting the FiFine onto this boom arm because these are dynamic microphones. So you don't want to have them on a stand like this, even though this is what the AM8 comes from. You want to make sure that you have these about a fist away from your mouth. You want them to be offset to the side a little bit, and you want to have the top angled towards your mouth. That's going to eliminate those plosives, those P sounds that sound really bad. So these are both pretty budget mics. I will have both of them linked down below if you're interested in checking them out. Let's go ahead and switch over to the AM8 from FiFine, and let's see which one sounds better. I'm honestly curious to see. Okay, so now I have the FiFine AM8 installed onto my boom arm, and I have it right in that 2 to 6 inch range. You want to be able to put a fist between your face and basically have it hit the mic. Again, you want it angled, and then you want the top kind of facing towards you and the mic a little bit offset to the side. So this is the sound comparison here. It's very important that you set the gain very similar between the two to do this test, because it's going to mess up the test if one gain's higher than the other. So I did do some test clips to try to calibrate them the same. So far, it seems like I think the AM8 is going to come out on top, which is pretty crazy. FiFine has a couple different mic options. So let's quickly, while we're in this video, talk about the difference between a dynamic mic and a condenser mic. So the condenser mic is going to be sitting on a stand, basically on your desk, and you can talk to it from further away, where a dynamic mic, you need to be very close, and it's going to be picking up sounds that are very close to the microphone. Now, if you have a noisy environment, a dynamic mic is going to be better than a condenser mic because it's not picking up the sound of my computer or the fan overhead, whereas a condenser mic is theoretically going to pick up all of those sounds. Now, one thing that you need to do with both of these mics that I kind of already mentioned is you need to be very careful with the gain. If you set the gain too high, it's going to distort your sound quality, and you're not going to be able to reduce the gain after the fact while you're editing to get that sound back. You would much rather have the gain too small than too high, and because you can always raise it and keep that audio quality when you're doing your post-production stuff. Now, one other thing about this, I do have the gain set to about 15 to 20% of the dial. So the gain is a dial on the AM8, whereas it is buttons on the FDUCE SL40. Now, I like the FiFine AM8 one better because you have that analog where you can see what the gain is set on. Whereas this, you have to remember how many buttons you press. And if you hit the wrong one, you have to remember, oh, which one did I hit, blah, blah, blah. So that is nicer on here. Now, this does have lighting, obviously. I've got it set to blue here, but you can hold that right there and turn off the lighting. I was just making sure I didn't turn off the mute button on the back here. So overall, both are very good budget dynamic microphones from Amazon. And unless you're like a serious podcaster, these are going to get you far enough. You don't need to go for the Sures or the Rhodes until you really start to make it. So check these out, guys. I will leave it linked down below. Could very much appreciate if you use my link to buy this or anything else. And if you like this review, I'll leave the rest of my microphone reviews up here. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.